Where's your eyes?
Hi.
Yes. Oh, where's your nose?
No.
Oh, where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's the ears?
Yeah.
Where's Marcus? Ah, yay! What happened to you, Marcus? Ay, Tita Vinya is sleeping. Sleeping. Ah, where's... Oh, sleeping si Tita Vinya. Oh. Oh, Marcus, kiss mo Tita Vinya. Kiss. Sleeping ka na, Marcus? Sleeping na, Marcus? Hello, Marcus. Oh, you'll fall down.
Oh. Mark? You read my diary. Oh.